I am an intern working in Lexus and Company, and I am going to present on the topic natural rights and easement. An easement is a non-possessionary right in which a person not having the possession of a property can still use that property. In cases such as uh, right to support, right to water, right to air, right to way, right to privacy, right to prospect, right to common, and profit say prendre. There are remedies, two remedies for the infringement of the right. First is damages for the compensation of the injury or loss. Second is the injunction to stop the order to stop the further repetition of the wrongful act. So first is the right to support. The right to support is divided into three types. First is the land by land. Second is land by building, building by land, and third is building by building. In land by land, the land is either supported by the adjacent or subjacent land, and the support by the adjacent land is called the lateral support, and support by the subjacent, which is below the land, is called the vertical support. So every person has the right to lateral support to the extent which is necessary. Second is right to building by land, which is the land is not express the extra land is not expressly granted for the building purposes, but if it is weighted with the building is weighted with the other land, then the surface owner has no additional right on the extra support in India. And the third is building by building. So the building owner also does not here have the right of the extra land and land or building until and unless the owner owns both the building. Then comes the right to water. The citizen has a right over the flow of water and can sue on three purposes, which is obstruction to water, second is pollution to water, and obstruction by any stream of water. Third is right to light, which is a person is has the right to get the sufficient light at their house, and can sue for the purpose if someone builds an obstruction or wall, uh, in case if a person A is residing near B and he is getting natural light for 20 years, and a person builds a wall against the person B has built against a wall which obstructs the flow of light more than 45 degree, then the person A can sue. Also the ancient light law in which the other person can build new windows but cannot enlarge his new no the person can enlarge his own old windows but cannot build new windows. And then comes the right to way, which is not a easement right here in India, but can be granted on the basis of prescription, grant, custom, or necessity. Then comes the Right to Privacy Act. Right to Privacy Act is a fundamental right under the Article 21 of Constitution, as you all know. Then comes the right to prospect in India, which is the prospect is the future is to think about the future possibility, and it is not a right under the Indian law. Then comes the right to common, in which a person can have a right over the common land, such as a pasture or fish, and the person can sue if the right is infringed for such purposes. Then comes the profit a prende right, in which a person has right over the land which is used for a service, and such land is called the servient tenement. And the person has the right over the soil, natural produce or animals of such land. So this was it for the presentation. Thank you.